Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. So dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 2 remaining topic. Okay, so everyone open page number 20. Okay students, open page number 20. Now let's start. The first topic is portable hard disk. Dear students, portable hard disk is also known as external hard disk because this hard disk is not fixed inside the CPU. Okay. Therefore, it is a secondary memory device. It can be easily carried anywhere. Dear students, portable hard disk is known as external hard disk. This hard disk is not fixed inside the CPU cabinet. Therefore, it is a secondary memory device. It can be easily carried anywhere. Clear to everyone? Now the second topic is CD. Dear students, it is also an external storage device. CD is stand for compact disc. This is the full form of CD. You must have to learn this. CD is stand for compact disc. Dear students, it is a thin round disc. Okay, it is a thin round disc like this. This is a CD. A standard CD can store up to 700 MB data. To access the data stored in a CD, a computer system must have a CD-ROM drive. Dear students, a standard CD can be store up to 700 MB data. To access the data stored in a CD, a computer system must have a CD-ROM. Okay students, it means if a computer system having CD-ROM, then you can access data from CD. Okay. Next topic is DVD. Okay students, our next topic is DVD. Dear student, DVD stand for digital versatile disc. A DVD stores much more data than a CD. Dear students, a DVD can store data up to 4.7 GB. So this is the difference between CD and DVD. A CD can store up to 700 MB data and a DVD can store up to 4.7 GB data. Okay. Okay students. Okay dear students, DVD stand for digital versatile disc. A DVD stores much more data than a CD. It can store up to 4.7 GB. Now the third topic is Blu-ray disc. Dear students, a Blu-ray disc looks like a CD or a DVD. It is used to store high definition HD videos. It can store data up to 25 GB on each side. Okay students, here you can see note, CD and DVD and Blu-ray disc are especially used to store audio and video. Dear students, a CD can play in a DVD drive but a DVD cannot play in a CD drive. You must have to remember this, students. A CD can play in a DVD drive, but a DVD cannot play in a CD drive. Okay. Now the next topic is flash drive. Dear students, your next topic is flash drive. A flash drive is commonly known as a pen drive. Dear students, it is used for transfer data. It is a rewritable device. A flash drive comes in various storage capacity like 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB and 32 GB and so on. It is small enough to fit in a pocket. Dear students, a flash drive is commonly known as pen drive. Means pen drive is known as flash drive. It is used for transferring data and it is a rewritable. A flash drive comes in various storage capacity like 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB and so on. So dear students, it is a small enough to fit in a pocket. Now the next topic is memory card. Dear students, memory cards are also called multimedia card. These cards are teeny and are used as a storage medium in mobile phones, digital camera and portable music player. It comes in different storage capacity like 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB and so on. Okay students, so the chapter 2 has gone finished. Here you can see flashback. Dear students, computer memory is of two types, primary and secondary memory. As I have already tell you, there are two types of memory. First is primary and second is secondary memory. Second flashback is RAM stores the data, instruction and information temporarily. It is constantly overwritten with new data. And the third flashback is ROM stores the information permanently. Okay. Sorry students, wait a second. Okay, sorry students. Now look at the flashback. Third, ROM stores the information permanently. Data and instruction stored in ROM are not lost even when the power is turned off. Okay students, the external storage devices are called secondary memory. For example, portable hard disk, CD, DVD, flash drive and so on. And the next flashback is the data storage capacity of computer memory is expressed in bytes. Okay students, this was the flashback. And the next is exercises. Okay students, exercise number A is tick the correct answer. Dear students, question number first is which of the following is not a type of ROM? Dear students, option number B is the right answer. EEROM is not a type of ROM. Okay. Now question number second is, it is located inside the CPU cabinet. Dear students, option number C is the right answer. Hard disk is located inside the CPU cabinet. Now question number third is, 1 terabyte is equal to, dear student, option number B is right answer. 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte. Now the question number 4, it is a volatile memory. Dear students, option number A is the right answer. RAM is a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. Now question number 5 is, memory cards are also known as flash card. Option number A is right answer. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Dear student, first question is, all the information in a computer is stored in a 0 and 1. Okay. Question number second is, Blu-ray disc has larger storage capacity than a CD and DVD. Question number third is, secondary memory is slower than primary memory. Question number 4 is, bit is the smallest unit of computer memory. Fifth is, a standard CD can store up to 700 MB data. Okay students, now the next exercise I will explain in my next video, and thank you for watching my videos students. Bye bye, have a good day.